In this video I'm going to show costume changes. Let's say that I wanted my main character to change colors when I contacted a bad guy. So in my costumes, the first thing I would need is another costume. A lot of the characters that are automatically built into Scratch come with their own costumes already, or extra costumes, so that makes it look like they're running or dancing or whatever. I'm just going to duplicate this one and use the paint bucket to change it to a different color. So now when it hits a bad guy character, I'm going to have it change to purple. So back in my scripts here, I already have it playing the sound fairy dust until dawn when it hits a bad guy. So now under looks, I'm just going to say switch to costume 2. So switch to costume 2 and switch to costume 2. I'm also going to put a small timer after that because I want it to change and be that costume just for a little while and not for the entire program. So I'm going to put under control just a 1 second timer after that. So it's going to play the sound, it's going to change costumes, and then wait a second, and then I want it to switch back to the other color or the normal costume. So I'm going to put a switch back to costume 1 here. And for down here, I'll have to place it down here. I'm going to switch back to costume 1 here. So now it'll hit a bad guy, change colors, and then go back.